Do you ever feel like you're just going through the motions with your finances? Do you often wonder if there's a better way to manage your money and make it work for you? If so, then you've come to the right place. Automating your finances is one of the best things you can do to maximize your savings and ensure that your money is working for you. We'll explore the benefits of automating your finances, why it's important, and how to get started. So read on to learn how to make your money work for you. Why automate your finance? Managing your finances can be a daunting task, but automation can make it easier and more efficient. Automating your finances can not only save you time, but also help you achieve your financial goals faster. By automating your finances, you can ensure that bills are paid on time and money is regularly saved or invested without having to constantly remember to do it yourself. Additionally, automation can also help you stay within budget and take advantage of rewards programs to maximize your savings. Automation takes away the need for constant monitoring of your finances, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life. With automated finances, you can have peace of mind knowing that your money is working for you and that your finances are under control. Overall, automating your finance is an easy way to simplify your financial management, stay organized, and stay on track to reach your financial goals. Setting up automated bill payments. One of the easiest ways to automate your finances is to set up automatic bill payments. Not only does it save you time and hassle, but it also helps ensure that you never miss a payment or incur late fees. To get started, review your bills and see which ones offer automatic payment options. Most utility bills, credit cards, and loan payments can be set up for automatic payments. You can typically do this by logging into your account on the company's website or calling their customer service. Next, choose a payment date that works best for you. You can usually select the day of the month that your payment will be withdrawn from your account. Make sure to choose a date that coincides with when you receive your paycheck or have money in your account. Set up alerts and notifications to let you know when payments are made and how much is deducted from your account. This can help you keep track of your expenses and ensure that there are no surprises. Remember to monitor your account to ensure that the payments are being made on time and that there are no errors. If there are any issues, contact the company's customer service immediately. Overall, automating bill payments can save you time, money, and headaches. Plus, it helps improve your credit score by ensuring that you never miss a payment. Automating savings and investments. Saving money can be challenging, but automating your savings and investments can make it easier. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account, you can ensure that you're consistently saving and investing without having to remember to do it manually each month. Many banks and financial institutions offer automatic transfer services that you can set up through your online banking platform. You can choose how much you want to transfer each month and when the transfer should occur. By automating your savings and investments, you'll be taking the first step towards financial stability. When it comes to investments, automating your contributions to a retirement account like a 401 or IRA is a smart move. Many employers offer automatic 401 contributions that deduct a percentage of your paycheck and put it into your retirement account. If your employer doesn't offer this, you can set up automatic contributions yourself. By consistently investing in your retirement account, you'll be able to maximize your savings over time. If you're investing outside of a retirement account, you can also automate your investments through services like robo-advisors or investment apps. These services use algorithms to create a personalized investment portfolio for you and automatically invest your money based on your preferences and risk tolerance. This can help you diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns without having to constantly monitor the markets. Overall, automating your savings and investments is a smart way to make sure that you're consistently putting money away for your future. It takes the hassle out of saving and investing, so you can focus on other areas of your financial life. By setting up automatic transfers and investments, you'll be well on your way to reaching your financial goals. Utilizing budgeting tools. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to stay on top of your finances, especially when it comes to budgeting. Fortunately, there are plenty of budgeting tools available to help you automate the process and keep your spending in check. One of the most popular budgeting tools is Mint, a free app that helps you track your spending, categorize your expenses, and create a budget based on your income and goals. It even alerts you when you're approaching your budget limits. Another great tool is You Need a Budget, which uses a unique zero-sum budgeting approach. This means that every dollar you earn is assigned a job, whether it's paying bills, saving for a rainy day, or investing for the future. Personal Capital is another popular budgeting tool that also helps you manage your investments and plan for retirement. It's ideal for those who have complex financial situations and need a more comprehensive view of their finances. Regardless of which budgeting tool you choose, the key is to automate your finances as much as possible, so you can spend less time managing your money and more time enjoying the things you love. Maximizing rewards programs through automation. One way to make your money work for you is by maximizing rewards programs through automation. Whether it's earning cash back on purchases or accumulating points for travel rewards, there are plenty of opportunities to take advantage of these programs. One way to automate this process is by linking your credit or debit card to these programs. Many rewards programs offer automatic cashback or point accumulation when you use your linked card at certain retailers or for certain categories of purchases. This eliminates the need to manually activate offers or remember which cards to use for which purchases. Additionally, some credit cards offer automated redemption options for rewards, such as cashback or statement credits. This allows you to maximize the benefits of your rewards program without any extra effort on your part. When selecting rewards programs to participate in, be sure to do your research and compare the benefits and earning potential of each. By automating your participation in these programs, you can earn rewards without even thinking about it, making your money work harder for you. Keeping track of your automated finances. As you begin to automate your finances, it's important to stay organized and keep track of your accounts. One way to do this is by setting up alerts for all of your automated transactions, including bill payments and investments. This will help you stay aware of when money is coming in and going out, and prevent any surprises that might affect your budget. You should also keep a spreadsheet or budgeting app to track your overall financial goals and progress. This will help you see how much money you're saving, how much you're investing, and where you might be able to cut back on expenses. Many budgeting apps even allow you to connect your bank accounts, making it easy to see all of your automated transactions in one place. Another way to stay on top of your finances is by reviewing your credit card and rewards program statements regularly. This will help you maximize the rewards you earn from your automated transactions, which can lead to extra savings or perks down the line. Overall, staying organized and keeping track of your automated finances will help you achieve your financial goals more effectively and avoid any unexpected surprises. In conclusion, automating your finance can help you make the most of your money by putting it to work for you without requiring much effort on your part. By setting up automated bill payments, savings, and investments, you can ensure that you are staying on top of your finances while also reaching your financial goals. Budgeting tools and rewards programs can further help you optimize your spending and maximize your savings. Keeping track of your automated finances is also important to ensure that everything is working as intended and you are not missing any important payments or investment opportunities. By automating your finance, you can simplify your financial life and focus on what really matters to you.